In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook account. If you've ever felt the need to manage your emails more efficiently, Outlook is a fantastic option. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products, making it a great choice for both personal and professional use. So let's get started on setting up your new account, and I'll guide you through each step of the process. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website. Simply type Outlook into your preferred search engine and click on the official Microsoft link. You should find yourself on a page that showcases the benefits of using Outlook. Now look around for the option that says Create Free Account. Clicking on this will begin the account creation process. It's always visible on the home page, ensuring easy access even for beginners. Once you click to create a free account, you'll be redirected to a sign-up form dedicated to setting up a new email address. This is where you can choose a unique email which will be part of your Outlook identity. Selecting something simple but memorable might be handy, especially if this is your primary email account. After picking an email, click Next to proceed to the password creation page. When creating your password, ensure that it's strong and secure. A good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Just avoid using obvious choices like your birthday or simple sequences. After typing in your new password, click Next once again to save it and move forward. The next screen will ask for your first name and last name. These details are important as they'll be used in your profile and will appear when you send messages. After filling in your name, hit Next to continue to the next step. Now you'll need to enter your date of birth. This might seem trivial, but it helps Microsoft provide age-appropriate services and ensure compliance with any relevant laws. Once you've entered your birth date, click Next. Great, you're almost there. Depending on Microsoft's security protocols at the time, you might need to verify your identity at this stage. This is usually a simple process involving a code sent to your phone or another existing email. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be done in no time. And with that, you've now successfully set up your Outlook account. You can start exploring the features Outlook offers, such as organizing emails into folders, utilizing calendar functions, and connecting with other Microsoft Office tools. I hope you found this guide helpful in creating your new Outlook account. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Enjoy using Outlook.